Okay, it's connected. Let's go to our Chrome. Let's go to Roblox. And I have proof that I finally got an account on Roblox. I don't want to play Overlook Bay. I want to play Adopt.me. Maybe I have to search it. Adopt.me. Search in games, Adopt.me. Why my game is not responding for some reason? I don't know. I guess I have to, press enter. I need to restart my laptop for some reason. But let me just go to Chrome, because it's easier way how to play Roblox. Let's go to Roblox. It's gonna work. I mean, I tried it and it works. No. I've paid like an hour. Oh. This is not magic. You will see. You will see.
This is real.
Yeah, no, but this is real. See? Okay, can you help me with this? I think it's the...
See?
Oh, wait. It's the internet. You have to disconnect.
I'll open for you.
Connect.
See?
Alright, now.
I told you if you close on me,
Okay.
Alright, look. Roblox is working. Here's the proof. I am actually playing Roblox. Let's start. My friend is playing Adopt.me. So let's start and open Roblox. And I'm going to show you my inventory. I'm going to make this video long because we don't want to do our verification. So let's do it, everybody. Anyways, look guys, this is proof that I'm playing Adopt.me Roblox. And this is no lie, this is no skit or something. This is real. This is no PowerPoint or like those fake ones I used to make. This is real. Even the Roblox logo sign is there, so it's totally real. I'm telling the truth, it is real. So you gotta wait for it. Yeah, you can make a video for yourself. You go to Roblox. Can you join me? Can you join me? I'm also making a video, so. Yeah. Can you join me?
Right.
Tell my name like a brother or sister.
Yeah, he's my brother. Anyways. Here's a happy free leaf crown.
Okay.
So I got rich when I was playing offline. But if you don't believe me, I got these like. Wow. Let's see. I'm not gonna play Shadow. Name you Shadow because people get scammed for these easily named pets. So I'm gonna call you Carly. Carly's. Wait, Carly. That's perfect. I think that's a good name. Wait, okay, you can make a video for yourself.
But to be quiet.
I am also making a video. So
Okay.
let me go buy some things.
Okay, it's open.
Oh, it's opening?
Yeah.
Okay,
open.
join me. I'm gonna go to the Petware to buy some things so I could finally, and good that trades are back allowed. Why? Because I mean, trading is still okay. If you don't see that, I'm gonna show you guys. Bobby doesn't wanna. Anyways, this is my avatar. If you wanna see it, this show my avatar. This is my avatar, and this is my account. Megan Plazy. Wait, why is it not exchange? I'll put that's Lolly and this. Okay, so this is my normal look, but I'll go for this one because it's updated. Why I don't want to put anything. I just Okay, maybe if I go to baby. It's stuck in my screen. No! Okay, let me go to my friend Romeo. No, I don't want to dress up. Why did I ever? Is my like broken? Cause I can't press anything, and it's really hard to do that. Is my wait? What the heck? What happened? It just like it makes that sound like. Do you think Adopt Me Roblox hacked in my laptop? This is really weird, but let me try to tell parents. Anyways, that I guess is it for the video with a great smile for my bunny. I'm gonna do a backflip.
I'm a boy.
Yeah, but I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the person. I'm gonna do a confused sign. And that was really unsuspected.
So hello guys.
And I don't know what happened like that. And my brother's also on the back scene making videos. Yeah? Yeah. Wait, how there's a super fast login? I guess I have to leave Roblox.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna join you. Just wait. I'm gonna join you. Where's my friends?
Okay.
Why is it really hard these days?
I'm here in the sky.
I'm gonna come to you. Just wait.
Okay.
Friends. Your friends didn't let me.
Got see. Here, I got more.
I'm gonna join you.
You guys started it?
You're so poor. Ha ha ha. I'll give you a pet. Just wait for it.
So you see?
Okay, I'm gonna join my brother. He doesn't have Robux like me, but I do be rich in Adopt Me. So that don't blame me about me.
Yep.
And
Okay,
we're doing also a giveaway, a gift card Roblox. So please subscribe and like, share, give it a big thumbs up, and yeah. I ordered it online so we could. And you're probably thinking, how we're gonna, if we won, how we're gonna enter this giveaway? Wait, let me just enter my brother.
Yeah, go there. Oh, I don't want to go to back. I want to go back.
The giveaway. Where's my brother? Why is he not replying to me?
No. I'm going to another. Oh, yeah. You don't tell me that.
Hey,
No,
where are you?
No.
Hey, answer my question. What's the giveaway, Abby? What's the giveaway?
The gift card.
For what?
Gift card.
Oh, this girl is poor. Let me give her a cat, I guess. Oh, wait.
Oh,
I'm gonna give her a pet because she's living in a starter house and she. Hello, trade me. This isn't good for me. Wait, don't come to my. Don't go to me. Hey, don't leave. I'm giving you a pet. How rude is she? I got this in my hard work. Anyways, let's go to our petware, and I hope I won't glitch again, because it's really hard to do that. And should we buy another
What else?
eyeball rattle?
Hello?
Should I buy another eyeball rattle? No, I don't think so. I'm still poor though, so that doesn't mean I'm really rich. Ooh, but look at this! That's too much expensive. I don't even have that much. Well, I could buy a witch's broom, but it's also expensive. It's gonna shrink all my money.
Okay, so
Wait, Albert, do you have any money I could buy? Oh, you don't have 32.
huh? What you said?
You don't have money. It's okay. Forget about it. I'm gonna buy a. Wait, let me drop this pet thing. Anyways, let me walk. I'm gonna buy this bewitched, like this witch broom, And 200. Yay, now I lost all my money and I'm so stupid for doing that. So now, let's place it. Let's go dress up, show my pet. And wow, it looks so good. Okay, I didn't glitch this time, so that's good. Where's the pet? Okay, so let's see how this looks good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a prank, and I'm gonna dress up. Wait. Dress up me. I'm gonna dress up like a stranger, and I hope he sees me. Oh boy, did he trade me? Wait, I'm gonna turn into a monster.
Oh, would you help, little boy? I'll give item on my backpack. Oh, sandwich. Yeah, now I have sandwich.
Nothing. I was pranking you. I pranked you. I give you.
Thank you for the sandwich. And we need to go to.
See, you make me sick.
Sorry, got parrot sick. There's a parrot in this lobby.
You make me sit down.
Sorry, I'm really sorry. You can just get Wait, let me say this out.
You make me sick.
Prankster.
My sister made me sick.
Prankster. Anyways.
Oh, Rainbow.
No, I don't want you to invite me to anything, guys. You're too nice, too kind, but I'm not gonna.
Did I?
Okay, so I'm gonna go to the new update, which is going away in 8 days. So we got to play all day long. And by the way, this is my alt account. My real account is like 111 Ruby Roof, and I'm so rich. I got 4 neon legendaries, 1 King Bee, 1 Queen Bee, and I got 1 mega cat with fly ride, and I got a mega chicken, mega dog, and a mega bat. So if you guys want to offer me, but I can't right now. This is my new account, because my old account, which was super rich, I got terminated for saying bad words, and like it went through without even. Look, oh, I want a free. Oh, you collected all the candy you can for now. Come back for tomorrow. I really must get shots. Where is that horse of mine? Okay, hey. You wanna trade me? Lion Box Gamer, you're on YT.